Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. Every year I have to put my car in at the garage for its annual MOT. This is the kind of test that they have to do on the car to check that it's still roadworthy, to make sure it's still safe to drive on the roads. And the local mechanic that I always go to phoned me up the following day and told me that my car was ready for collection. So I walked up the road to my local garage, and as I was walking up, a slightly weird thing happened. A guy suddenly opened his car door and stood in front of me and said, "Hi, hello, where are you going?" And I told him I was going to pick up my car. And he then said, "Right, okay, I saw you walking up the road and thought maybe we could talk a little bit." At which point I said, "Look, it's very kind of you, but I'm going to collect my car and I've got stuff to do." "Right, okay, well, would you be interested in maybe swapping phone numbers?" At which point I said, "No, I really have to go and collect my car. I'm sorry, but thank you." When I got home and told my wife about this little incident, she fell about the floor laughing and pointed out, probably correctly, that this guy had been trying to hit on me. If you hit on someone, you start a conversation with them because you find them sexually attractive. So maybe while you're standing in a bar, a guy might start hitting on you. He might start trying to chat you up. To be honest, these days, I take all the compliments I can get, wherever I can get them. So if that's what was going on, who am I to complain? If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. It helps us with the algorithm. Make sure you share the video with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear stories about any time people have hit on you.